All right, question number 58, let's get right into it. So we have that a cosine function is shown in the standard xy coordinate plane below. One of the following equations represents this function. Which one? Now guys, the first thing you need to notice is, cosine, normally the cosine function only goes up to here. So it peaks at 1, right? So instead of going up to 1, we're going up all the way to 3. So that means we have to have 3 times our original cosine function. So it'll spit out a value, then you have to multiply it by 3. So normally it'll spit out a 1, but since it's 3, we have to multiply by 3. So we're going to get rid of the ones where it's 2 multiplied because it needs to be 3 multiplied. So it could be either any of these answer choices, okay? Now the other thing that you need to keep in mind is that normally the cosine function completes one full wavelength here at 2 pi, okay? So when x equals 2 pi, that's when we have the full wavelength here, right? So if you notice anything here, basically what's happened is it has been smushed. The function has been smushed together. So this is actually pi. So instead of it looking something like, much wider and broader, right, where, where you have this at 2 pi, we've actually shrunk it. So we've literally smushed it, and now it's at pi, okay? So anytime you smush a cosine function, you're going to have, the cosine, cosine theta, and then multiplied by some value, okay, like a or 2, something like that, right? So, and because we go from 2 pi to pi, that means that we're going to need to smush it by a factor of 2, okay? And that smushing by a factor of 2 is going to be answer choice K, okay? And again, where it's not going to be 3, it's going to be 2. So hopefully that makes sense, guys. Just a little bit of trigonometry review here. But yeah, that's your answer 58. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next video.